Jezu, look at this wig. If you want to learn how I took this wig from this to this, continue watching. Look at the shine, look at the luster, look at the movement. Who wouldn't want a wig like this? But first, let me introduce myself. Hi friends, it's your girl Leslie Leila, and I'm back with a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, big up yourself always. And if you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video. Also follow me on my socials, Instagram and TikTok. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So this wig I've had for about 2 years. It was still pretty thick, but it did lose its length. So I did buy a 32-inch bundle to add into my wigs. I love adding length back into my hair, so that way I can be giving the girls a bust down 30-inch wig, okay? So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna co-wash this bundle because it's new, and then I'm going to deep condition this one. Well, actually I'm gonna wash it and deep condition it because I want the old product to get off of it, so that way it's nice and clean. And then I also want to co-wash it so that way the luster can come back after I wash it. So I will be right back. I'll be using the ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo to get all that extra dirt and product off. And then I just used a random conditioner to add some moisture back into my hair after cleaning off the products. First, I'm going to take the 32-inch bundle and I'm going to co-wash it with the conditioner so that way it's nice and clean and ready for this unit.
With the Bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fucking on me? I'm the main one. Are you blaming on me? You're the main one. Are you threatening me? Think I'm the main one. Just trying to be with you.
After rinsing it a couple of times, we're going to go ahead and strain out the water and put it on a hanger so that way it can dry as we work on the wig. So before I proceed on washing the wig, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that excess lace glue that has been on that wig for a minute. So as you'll see, I'll take some dish soap and really rub that into my lace to try to get that lace glue to lift up. I'm also going to go in with my edge control brush so that way I can really get off all that glue. So now I'm taking my neutralizing shampoo and I'm really going to lather the hair. Now you don't need to put this much, y'all. You really don't, because it's going to really dry out your hair. I would say just use a decent amount. Don't use too much because you'll see that my ends get really, really dry and I have to kind of do the most to get its luster back.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah. You into everything I'm into.
So once I was done washing my hair, I'm going to go in with this silicone mix and really add some more moisture back into the hair because like I told y'all, I really dried her out. And then that crystal clear, you'll see her come in later in the video. So in this bowl, I have hot water, the silicone mix, and some more conditioner because I was running out of silicone mix. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this wig to boil and soak up all the moisture that it needs because I really dried it out with putting a lot of neutralizing shampoo. Like I said, don't be like me, be better. So I did add aluminum foil so that way I can have a steam going on in the bowl, and I let it sit there for about 45 minutes.
Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you ain't been on school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner.
So now I'm just going to wash off any excess products that do not need to be there.
First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday.
And then I'm going to take that crystal clear by Adore and I'm just going to add that all over my hair because I really want my hair to be shiny, looking lustrous. I don't even know if that is a word. And you're going to see me do this twice because I wanted that extra luster, okay? What Raven say? Nice, shiny, and full of luster, but don't touch the luster.
So much to live for, baby.
And because I wanted my hair to be extra shiny, I added the Bio Silk as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a plastic bag, put my wig in it and throw it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and let it sit and cool for about 25 minutes. So now I'm going to take the wig out of the bag and wash off the product and allow it to dry. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't know what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't know what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so. So once the wig was dried, I'm going to go ahead and now put the bundle and the wig together. I'm going to actually hand sew the bundle in because I don't know how to do the sewing machine, okay? So what I did is I kind of started at the bottom and I did it by every 2 rows. So 2 rows was the old wig, and then I added a stitch of the new bundle, and then again another 2 row, and then again another bundle stitch. So you'll see me kind of sew in the wig now. Once I was done adding that bundle, I kind of just put the lace on my head to see what I needed to cut off. As you can see, there is a lot of lace that could be cut off, like the hairline is even separated. So that's what I'm about to do now. So once I've gotten the lace cut to my desire, it is time for my favorite part, the install. So I'm not going to really talk too much while I'm doing my install. If you want a detailed tutorial, let me know in the comments below.
When straightforward, eyes on the climbing, on your side, no matter the climbing. Burning bitches in my third.
Look at that, a body. Thank you for tuning in with your girl and watching her really revamp her wig. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you know when I drop a new one, and then follow me on my socials. Alrighty, you guys, it's your girl Leslie Leila, or the real Leslie Leila, checking out. Bye. Mwah!